Mbole binaka na biwakani ngonga me Seoul, South Korea. Sa wala katal na bakabondo na lista linakor. Pambul chikan bikim ni wanu ni binaka na songo ni Solebu ni sarbaturang kandabu sa wanu ni binak sartuyan bikim ni keve sa malak na sar live na saritamba totok na sol totok na alobata na wanu ni binaka ni na ando na singa katotal na singa ni mataka ya biya babi ni binaka talanga berto na nonda bunwai na sikerto na toli bitang bati may lakemba may lawe oreda chiko na kanan bi chiko may na itukutuku nirto lenga na wangka wasaliwa ya sarong man itukutuku nirto sakuni nakabakalilewo. That's really good news to hear. The rescue for our medical officers in the province of Laos, sending all the best wishes to them and their families. Nakabakalilewo na ebito ko ni lakena Bangarai. But I think the way forward, I think it'll be important for the next government to start thinking about how to support our rural workers, our rural, our government officials, even those who work in the outer islands. We hope that there will be support for them, for their transport. Because their safety is paramount. They have families to look after. So I sincerely hope that the Ministry of Health will look into this matter. Not only for the Ministry of Health, we also know we have the Ministry of Education for our teachers and different other ministries. So maybe the government as a whole to start supporting our staff who work in the rural areas in the outer islands, to support them for their mode of transport as well as their homes. We need to give them quality homes, quality transport system, and also their pay. We need to pay them well. Many of them have sacrificed their lives for so many years, and we do acknowledge their sacrifice, and I hope that we will remember them. Those who have moved to greener pastures, and those who are working in the outer islands right now, and also those who may be joining the government departments in the future. So this will be a huge shift in the way we think of our government civil servants, those who work in the rural areas. So just so they know that we're thinking of them. It was such a wonderful news to see that they've been rescued. To the rescue team, Vinakavakalevu, and to all the families of the staff, medical Ministry of Health. I'm sure you'll all have a basin of grog to celebrate for them. I'm sitting here in Korea celebrating for them as well. So Vinakavakalevu, to those who pray, to those who call for help, and those who actually were there in person. And so I'm on my last leg of travel over to the United States. And I'm here in Seoul, the international airport. And I'm just showing you some parts of the airport, the different airlines over there. There's some flying to Jakarta, to Manila. And when I was in Busan, there was also a flight to Guam. So it's nice to know that there are direct flights from Busan direct to Guam. And I'm sure here in Seoul, it would be the same. So I'll just take you on a little tour of this place. Nakavakalevu, for those of you who've been supporting my page while I've been away here in Korea. I was attending the World Heritage Meeting 48th session here in Busan in South Korea. Next year the meeting will be in Istanbul in Turkey. So that'll be in June of 2027. So yeah, it was a wonderful opportunity for me to be with our indigenous researchers from the 7 regions of the world. It was a wonderful honor to represent the Pacific, plus also to represent my sponsor, my organization in the United States, which is the Association of Tribal Archives, Libraries and Museums. Thinking of Susan Feller, the CEO who passed away last month, who supported my application. So she's such a wonderful boss, a great person to work under, and yeah, it's such a blessing to have amazing humans that support you. Okay, Rakavakalev everyone, let me change my screen and we can just have a little look around. And then I'll come back. Here, yung bulan binaka. Binakabali bikin muna bito kung kumain na interview ni Yasalo Kandavo, bikin ranangon ni Kandavo, rasema chukumai sambo chere binakan jinain da may bisata tu may bitalan noa bibang getsi. Iya. Doa nga ng bula da bilo man balevo. Iya. Bulan di Sisi, bulan Enrico, bulan Mosin Dawai, Josefa, de Messi, da bulan Binaka. Iya. Taman airport bakit tamera. Gomandangan nunggu gate ya 232. Saya lako sarcu kumelihat apa na 250. Iya. Saya lako sana ya tu na balikana. Singdo na lang na bunanikana. Singdo na mati na biyakana. Iya. Sa lako tsura ko babondo ya ndangan demanda. Ungko bukaya. Iya, bulan binaka di Sisi. Bulan binaka. Gosa ochiko na bitu. Na yakabini singa lutul. Lutulemo? Sianga. Kami ni warumbuka. Do bidala chik na ngona metani America 1 day behind Iya. So tangan dia matabango. Taman lain balaw. Ondo nang masar tumuchut tamatong indo bondo. So let's hope they give me a good seat. Dengan demanda. Oh. Iya, benaka balevo na siamo chukumai bi kemni na biokani. Tos chuka na buli, tos chuka na sarsara. Iya, yang andara kau biya bang kitskina bi kenda na itokei. Bi kemni na sana kana kitsiko. Kani binaka tumuni tos na muni buli. Ndo tumanda na pepa do semestra talabo. Enggak nanda berani kita nangone. Nanda watatalo ya nuku gate ya. Sampai lautan lain. Nangan di sumber bangun nang kailistal me. Goir na bangun ni singgo na lang. Tunggu na playland. Cinkarunea na buka. Usah pun tadi biar patatol. Tempat nindambe, dalin dambe tu sa cinkarunea mustal na duru. Laku di New York. Gate 233. Laku New York ya. Ya, kita Los Angeles san dua. Dapat tabir bangko. Gele tabir talmai. Iya. Ya. Ya, analis subtale. Baka nga tutundo na shopping mall na so na mga rarani mga kabutungo. It's getting better and better. Quality is really good. Sabana ka na balisili balilay. Nga na ka na matanggali. Wini ngono. Matagalin ra kang balawbango. Sabi na nga mungunuay Lebo nga na mungunuay. Coba baru tormando na wai. Meu munuba. Sana pa mo dali bikim ni. Nakabali ba na bituman ba tumikiyaw. Sa lalom sartan bali bikim ni. Sino karon na awan na bukang ko. 12 hours. Libo na wili bola, libo na sarayalo. Bomba talaga ng mata. Nitakan niyo ninda. Vimos lagi tiko. Buka malumo na bukang ko. Tako sobrang na was Pasifika. Sa lalaman ni Bikim ni Kede. Ni kalong nga tiko. Ni manda-manda. Naka disisi. Nakakata. Nakabalibu. Litin rabo. Iya. Sa lalam sarto ni Bakaliw. Iya, ni kalong ngata. Ni mo de.